Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today we will find how to use chia seeds to lose belly fat. Chia seeds have gained popularity as a superfood in recent years, praised for their nutritional benefits and potential weight loss properties. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Let's explore how to effectively incorporate chia seeds into your diet to help reduce belly fat. First, let us understand about chia seeds. Chia seeds are derived from the Salvia hispanica plant and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. One of the most notable features is their ability to absorb liquid, expanding to many times their size. This characteristic not only helps promote a feeling of fullness, but also aids digestion. Now, let us see how to incorporate chia seeds into our diet. First, chia seed pudding. One of the easiest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia seed pudding. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Add fruits, nuts or sweeteners for flavor. This nutrient-dense breakfast or snack will help you satiate and curb cravings. The next comes the smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your favorite smoothie for an extra boost of fiber and protein. This will not only enhance the nutritional value but also help keep you fuller for longer. Pairing chia seeds with fruits like berries can further aid in weight loss due to their low-calorie content. Next comes the salads and soups. Sprinkle chia seeds over salads or stir them into soups to increase fiber content without significantly altering the taste. This simple addition can help improve digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, which is essential for weight management. Now also it can be used during baking. Incorporate chia seeds into baked goods such as muffins, breads or energy bars. They can replace eggs in recipes when mixed with water, making them a versatile ingredient for both health and texture. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be an effective strategy for losing belly fat. Their high fiber and protein content help promote satiety, making it easier to manage your calorie intake. By adding chia seeds to various meals and snacks, you can support your weight loss journey while enjoying their numerous health benefits. Thanks for watching. Also, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.